Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are using custom shaders in Minecraft and noticing that the shadows beneath your mobs are flickering, chests are projecting massive black boxes, or your tree shadows are rapidly flashing, the game engine is struggling to process the overlapping dynamic lighting. I will show you exactly how to adjust your render settings and fix these shadow glitches right now. Let's get started. First, if the circular shadows beneath animals and players are aggressively flickering or rendering as weird solid blocks when you have shaders enabled, the vanilla Minecraft shadow system is clashing with your custom shader pack. Press the Escape key, go into Options, click on Video Settings, and then navigate to the Details tab. Look for the toggle specifically labeled Entity Shadows and turn it completely off. Because your shader pack already generates its own realistic dynamic shadows for every mob, leaving the vanilla circles enabled causes severe visual overlap and glitching. Next, if specific interactive blocks like chests, beds, signs, or banners are casting massive corrupted black shadows across your floors, the shader is struggling to calculate their custom 3D geometry. Go back to your main Video Settings menu, click on Shaders, and select Shader Options in the bottom right corner. Navigate to the Shadows or Lighting tab depending on which specific pack you are using, and look for a setting named Block Entity Shadows. Switch this toggle to Off, which forces the game engine to treat these complex objects like standard solid blocks, instantly stopping the corrupted black boxes from spawning. Finally, if the realistic shadows being cast by tall trees and buildings are rapidly sparkling, flashing, or trailing behind you as you move, your graphics card is struggling to update the shadow map quickly enough. While still inside your Shader Options menu, look for a setting explicitly named Shadow Resolution or Shadow Map Quality. Lower this value from Extreme or High down to 1024x or Medium. If the flickering continues, look for and disable Foliage Shadows to stop the game from trying to calculate shadows for individually swaying blades of grass, which permanently stabilizes your lighting. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.